Today, we're going to talk about something that we don't normally talk about, and that is energy efficiency. Now, I happen to live in a house that's about 25 years old, and it was very well insulated. A lot of the things were done very well, but nowadays, a lot of people live in older homes, which means that they're probably not energy efficient. So, I wanted to tell you a little story about how I was able to help my house be that little bit more energy efficient because as we know, the prices for power, the power that you pay for your home is constantly going up. So this is some ways that you can save some money by taking little steps that actually have big impact. Now, this story all starts a couple months ago because we were getting rid of a fridge that we had in our garage. Okay. We finally found a stand up freezer that we had been wanting to get, but we needed to make some room because we decided to get rid of our old fridge. It still ran, but I mean, this thing was easily like 30, 40 years old. It was like not quite avocado green, but whatever the yellow version from the 70s was. So we were originally going to put it up for free on the Facebook Marketplace, but I came across this thing where it said that my power company was offering basically a recycling program for fridges and freezers. As long as they were running, they would come and pick it up for you, and then they would send you a rebate check, anywhere from like $30 to $50. So we did that. And it was really easy. We called the number, we set up a date for them to come out. They came out in a truck, they picked it up. We didn't have to do anything. We didn't have to take it anywhere. They just came to our driveway, took care of it, and like 3 or 4 weeks later, we got a check in the mail. Super simple. Now, a few days ago, my mail guy comes and he brings me this big, huge box, and it's from my power company. I live in Georgia. My power company is Georgia Power. Well, apparently, because we participated in their recycling program, they decided to send us an energy efficient kit. Okay. Now, this was so cool, and I was just amazed. So we got some outlet and switch sealers. It's what you put in between the wall and your outlets. They sent us some light bulbs. They also sent us this weather strip V-seal and weather strip rope caulk. This is what goes around your windows, and if you live in a house with older windows, odds are good that air is getting past your windows. And so I'm sure you've heard where people are like, we're not trying to heat or cool the entire neighborhood. Well, this is how you keep that air inside your house. They also sent us a shower head that's energy efficient and then some foam pipe insulation. So this was just so cool. And then they gave us a bunch of these different energy efficiency tips. So the point of all this is most power companies, they want you to have an energy efficient home. So how do they make sure you have an energy efficient home? By giving you resources. So I want you to either pick up your phone and call your power company or go to their websites. Now, a lot of times you will see that they have programs or assistance to help you pay your energy bill, but they also usually have a section about ways you can make your house more efficient. Now, some of them are like rebate programs where if you purchase certain items, you can get reimbursed for them. But a lot of different power companies I've noticed have started offering these, little kits and little boxes. And so if you've been a longtime customer, a loyal customer who always pays your bill on time, it can't hurt to see what they have to offer. Now, like I said, my house, I've never really thought about it because it's actually very energy efficient. But on our power bill every month, it gives us what our house rates at, what the average house, and then what the energy efficient house rates at, and what the price difference is between them. So it could definitely help you save some money on your monthly bills to make sure that your house is efficient as possible. And this is just a great resource. So let me know down below, does your power company offer anything like this? And have you checked out to see what programs they do? Because just because they didn't offer this 2 years ago, they may offer it now, because you'll notice that a lot of these energy companies are kind of in like crisis mode, if you will. The price of energy has gone up so much that a lot of places have had to threaten, like blackouts or like rolling power outages. So they really want you to use your energy efficiently as possible. So they're going to help you try to do that. So let me know down below. Have you done any improvements to your house to make it more energy efficient? Let's share all of our best tips down below. Thanks, you guys. Bye.